Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. The fact that you're watching this probably means that there's a guy you like, and you're trying to show that to him. But the more interest you seem to show, the less he seems to show back. In this video, we want to look at why all your effort is pushing him away and what you should do instead to get him to fall for you. The secret is not to make him love you, but to make it clear that there is an opportunity for him to prove that he loves you. Stay until the end and we'll tell you about a free masterclass. Let's start by establishing just why trying too hard will push him away. Men are wired to feel good when they've earned something. If you just throw yourself at him, yes, he will probably still sleep with you, but if you want to go any further, trying too hard is not going to work. A man will want to feel like he's worked hard for you, and having your love and respect is the prize he gets for all the work he's put in for you. If you just give it to him, he'll have nothing to work for. Different people will have different ideas of what trying too hard means, and there are plenty of ways that you can try too hard with a guy. Here are some of the most common ways. Firstly, you can message him too much. If you're texting him all day every day, that's not going to make him respect you. If you try to change yourself into someone that he will like, it will backfire. Men understand you won't be perfect and that will be okay. Before we talk about how to not try too hard, we need to talk about why you might want to try hard. Many women will do this because they're worried that if they don't pay enough attention to a guy, he'll get bored and leave her for someone else. It could also be because she wants to make it clear that she's interested in him. She doesn't want him questioning whether or not she likes him. She just wants him to know and to feel the same way. But it may also be because she doesn't want to play hard to get, as she understands that men don't do mind games in the same way that women do. But now, onto what you should do instead. Don't make him connect with you, but make it clear there is an opportunity for him to connect with you. The first thing you need to do is put yourself in his shoes. Imagine how you'd feel if there was a guy that messaged you all the time, wanted to know how you were, what you were doing, and kept telling you how amazing you are. I'm pretty sure most of you would get bored of him really easily. When you make it clear that there is an opportunity for him to connect with you, it gives him a chance to work towards it and earn it, and not just get it given on a plate. You're indirectly telling him that if he wants this to go somewhere, he needs to pull his weight too. Men know that women have options, and if you don't show any interest back, you will be able to walk away from him. And that's what's most important here. You need to be clear that it takes two to tango. If he isn't showing interest, you will say cheerio. But how do you make it clear that there is an opportunity for him without giving yourself away? First of all, don't message him all the time. He probably has things to do, and you probably do too. If you're busy, don't reply right away if you're not able to. After you've sent him a compliment, wait for him to send one back to you. If all he says is thanks, it's clear that this man is not interested in you. You need to say goodbye. Are you finding this video helpful? Subscribe to the channel and click on the notifications bell. If you think this video will be helpful to your friends, feel free to share it with them. There could be signs that this guy just isn't for you. 9 times out of 10, it's not because he's a bad person, but he's just terrible for you, or not in a position to be in a serious relationship. If he doesn't show any kind of emotion or appreciation for you, this is a sign that he is not interested in getting you if he has to put any work in for it. If he ignores you, it's not because he's busy, he just doesn't care. If he's been working all day, it's different, but if he takes days to reply, you need to cut him off. And beware of his reputation. If he's known for being a ladies' man, don't expect to be some kind of princess who's able to tame him. In this video, we've spoken a lot about why you shouldn't try too hard. However, you do still need to try. Romance is a conversation, not a lecture. If you expect him to pull his weight to impress you, you need to show a little bit of romance back. If he's showing that he's interested in pursuing you, you need to show that you're interested in being pursued. Don't do all the work, but don't let him do all of it either. And that is why if you try too hard, you'll just end up pushing him away instead of trying to make him like you. Make it clear that there is an opportunity for him to earn you liking him. If you found this video useful, check out our video on how to get him addicted to you forever. And as we promised, in the description you'll find a masterclass called Learn to Love Yourself so you can love your partner better. It's taught by 2 love experts. Thank you for watching.